If I had to start a car detailing business from absolute zero in 2026, no clients, no fancy setup, no reputation, here's exactly what I do to get my first paying customers fast and not waste a dollar. I'm Joshua, the CEO of Adding Ally, and we work specifically for new detailers and get them results in week 1. This is my client Matrix Detailing and his ads manager account. He's fairly new to detailing and he's been printing ever since I started working with him. And then here's Tri Valley. He actually found us through YouTube. Here's his ads manager account, and he's been printing ever since as well. If you don't believe me, go watch their testimonial. It's on my channel. Most beginners do things out of order. They obsess over products before customers. They think logo first and business second. So here is a full step-by-step tutorial on what to actually focus on and initiate a successful business in 2026. Step 1, to start off, just pick a business name that people can understand quickly. We're looking to pick the simplest setup and delivery. If you wanted to start completely mobile, it would be a little bit easier for everybody. Just drive to homes and detail their car in their driveway. Also pick a clear local service area, your town or your city, and don't overcomplicate branding. Just make a simple Facebook page, an Instagram page, a website, and a Google business profile. Keep it simple and local. Step 2, start with 3 offers only. Just do interior detailing, exterior detailing, and the full detail with interior and exterior. Make it as simple as possible for customers to select what choice they want to go with, because if there's too much selection, they're gonna get confused and they're gonna have to talk to you and they can't book in themselves. Do not start with 9 packages and 14 add-ons. It should be super simple for clients to understand what they want to do. The inside of the car, the outside of their car. Down the line, higher ticket services like ceramic coating and PPF are going to make you a lot more money, but when starting out, let's keep things simple. Step 3, buy only the gear that gets you paid. Vacuum, pressure washer, hose extension, buckets, brushes, microfiber, APC/interior cleaner, or the shampoo, the protection. Step 4, price using your local market. All you have to do is check out 10 local detailers in your area. Compare mobile to mobile and shop to shop. Find the average and price about 15 to 20% under that because you're just starting. But never price too cheap because it sucks for everyone. Step 5, get customers first the fast way. Your first 3 to 5 jobs should come completely from your network. Your friends, your uncles, your aunts, your sister. Tell them you're going to do a free detail for them, and all they have to do is leave a 5-star detailed review on your Google business page. And when doing these jobs, make sure to get the utmost value with photos, a testimonial, and tons of before and after content. Another quick hack I have for you guys is if you want to get videos of luxury cars, all you have to do is drive around with all your tools and maybe your logo on your shirt and just knock on the door and say, hey, I want to do a free detail for you guys of a person with a very nice car in their driveway, and just say I want to do a free detail and get as much content as possible. You're actually going to attract more luxury customers because of the fact you have results on luxury cars. Step 6, my favorite, set up a real lead system. Now that you got some traction, you've done a couple jobs, it's time to actually get easy money. Make sure you build the online stuff. The Google business page, Facebook business profile, and a simple website you can make with AI. All it has to have is a booking page and a contact form. Also, a CRM that keeps track of every single client you've ever done and automatically instantly messages them as soon as they come in through anywhere, the website, Facebook, or the Google business profile. If you want to save some time and make sure everything is perfect, I will personally set up a 2026 automatic detail booking system into your business. This system makes book jobs pop into your Google Calendar and has hot leads being texted to you while you're on the toilet. Step 7, how to avoid price shoppers. As a detailer, your biggest problem isn't going to be you, it's going to be your market. If you don't market yourself properly, a lot of people will just be looking for the cheapest price. And you do not want to market yourself as the cheapest option. You're not going to make any money like that. Make the offer clear. Name it a premium interior detail. Make sure that people understand that you do quality work. Show professionalism and explain what makes your detail worth paying for. But alone, the biggest thing that will make you the most money is calling leads as soon as they come in from any platform or any way they text you, or even if they call you themselves. Talking to leads in the first 5 minutes of when they're interested will close you 50% more jobs than you're already getting. There's only 3 ways detailing makes you money: new clients' cars, old clients you've detailed before coming back, and referrals. Make sure to ignore expensive branding like logo designers, expensive websites, expensive organic content like posts on your Facebook or Instagram. Just casually have fun with your content and do it it while you're working. Only pay for things that guarantee to bring in more money and bring in more work. A post on Instagram is not going to guarantee you more work. Stop chasing followers before you chase reviews. Reviews on your Google business page make the biggest difference. It's going to bring in the intentful people that are looking up car detailing near me. You're gonna pop up with the most reviews. You wanna be as high on that list as you possibly can in your local market. Don't overbuild systems before you build sales skills. 50% of the money, maybe even 100%, will be made on the phone. Every time a lead comes in, even if you're a top dog, you're still gonna be calling them and trying to close them on booking in. Someone should be calling these leads 100% of the time, and it's probably going to be you because you're just started. Real money is made on the phone. So make sure you work on that first before you start building anything else. I made a specific 30-day plan for new detailers to start rolling in dough. In the first 7 days, week 1, just work on naming your business, setting up your pricing and your offers, and making everything look clean and professional. Week 2, do the basic setup. Make your Google business profile, your Facebook business page, and get something ready to film some content, whether it's your phone, a tripod, a mic, whatever. Now in week 3, I want you guys to do as much work as possible. Do your entire network's cars and take tons of photos, tons of videos, and get tons of content. Get as many reviews as possible in this stage. Then you can make a website with a booking page and a contact form so leads can see all the information and not be price shoppers. And then in week 4, I want you guys to just tighten the process. Everything that was working, go harder, and everything that you're struggling with, fix. Improve what sucks. And make sure to ask for as many referrals as possible. If you can print out some business cards, that would be great. Give it to every single person you do. Make sure to keep every single person's contact that you detailed and reinvest into your business. I run ads for detailers and they're spending about $25, $30, $60 a day on getting more work. When you start making money, your money makes money. If you want, I have tons of tutorials and different types of videos on my channel. You guys can go check those out if you want to start building anything like a CRM, a website, or even ads. And there's a bunch of how-to tutorials to do specific things as well. And I want to know, what are you guys dealing with right now in your business and what can I help you guys fix